If I could muster up the energy to even talk, who came over today to help. So basically, see these piles? There are 18 boxes of these. This is called Swisstrax. And as you can see, Jan and I laid the majority of the floor today. Okay? Isn't this cool? Oh my God, I'm like soaking wet, sweating, my hair's a mess. We got who flung shit everywhere, like crap everywhere, and I can't move this stuff. So if I could, I would move it onto the new flooring, and then I would be able to finish the floors with exception to these little areas that have to be cutting out. There's specific areas that have to be cut out. For example, right here, this has to be cut in, and it's gonna need to be orange. And around this corner is going to need to be cut in. And that's with a table saw. And for anybody who knows me, you don't want me to have large cutting materials. So I put that little artistic touch at the door. I thought it looked pretty cool. But I can't move, and I don't have a table saw. And I pretty much don't have much breath left. But this is seriously like the coolest freaking floor ever. And if two gals can do it, anyone can do this, you know? So I'm a huge advocate. Also, not that I'm going anywhere, but if I wanted to leave, I could take this floor with me. So for the price, lifetime guarantee too. So for the price of buying or having somebody epoxy your floor that comes up typically and it takes 4 days to do, this is kind of a lifetime warranty and you can do it yourself. Kids can do it. That's how easy. So, hi Chandler, hi Megan, hi Kim. I'll turn the camera on me. I look like a crazy person that is so and gross and hot. But hey everybody, it's What's Cooking. Basically me, I'm cooking. I'm rotisserie in my own garage. Megan, your mom came over. Look, I even have like a little hair clip. I have nobody. I mean, I have lots of my friends, but Jay has like this whole group. But anyway, Megan, your mom was over. It was hilarious. She and I were like determined. And then when she left, she's like, okay, you're done, right? I'm like, yeah, I'm not going to do any more. And shh, don't tell her, but I did. But it's really cool. I'm so excited. This is my birthday present to me. Usually I have a big party the month of August. This year, no parties. Ooh, the FedEx truck is coming. I hope he's bringing somebody with a table saw that can finish the rest of the edges. I gotta sit down. I'm beat. Ooh, like your mom did Reiki on me too. So I'm sweaty. I'm sitting in a garage. Oh, I know, no party. But your mom shared with me the big party that you had like a couple years ago. Holy moly, it was sensational. I have a party, but not on that grand of scale. But I am going to miss doing that. No birthday this year. So in the meantime, I have a new garage floor. I'm going to paint the walls and get new cabinets. And it's going to look kick-ass. Hey, Julie Bourne, you should have seen. Look, my shirt has to be soaking wet. Like, I bet I have a gray t-shirt on. It's soaking wet. Like, there is no glamour here. Lipstick hasn't been applied since 7:30 this morning. And we did have a little glass of wine in the garage, which was hilarious. We could have gone in the backyard, but we didn't. We chose to have our glass of wine and use, hang on, I'll show you. Use one of these little things as our coffee table. And we had some folding chairs. Tell me this floor is not awesome. I'm obsessed. Philip Fredrickson is going to come home and he's going to be blown away that we did this. I mean, like I said, it still has fine tuning with the cutouts around the different edges in this little funky spot right here that I think we're going to do gray. We have to do it. Here's the infamous bike that I the other day. And there's our little iPad holder for our open houses that we're not allowed to do anymore. Hey, Patty Adams. I'm just talking about my Heather. Look at what your aunt did today. She laid like this crazy, amazing garage floor. Look at this. I mean, it has to be, thank God. Isn't it cool? Swisstrax. So I guess you use a wood cutting. Okay, this is what they look like. So see, this thick, and you put straight edge. Hey, Shannon, straight front, and that's how you start the whole system, okay? And you start in the upper left corner, which is what we did. See, this part has to be cut in around this little water heating thing. And then it has a little lip that you have. It has a little apron. So this piece right here, can you see it? Hey, Deb. It's what's cooking is me. I'm soaking wet sweating. So this border, or this one right here, is lifted, and literally it needs to have like 1/4 of an inch at the edge of the back removed so that it can clip in. So at the moment it's kind of just standing there where I can lift it up. I'll show you. See? So that has to be cut at the edge right here with a table saw, just a smidgen, so that these can interlock. But this whole thing's going to be covered with 24-inch deep cabinets all the way across this wall. Oh my God, I'm so dizzy. I think I'm dehydrated. I feel like I'm going to faint. So yeah, that's what we have left. Just moving that hideous disaster area over there, our COVID. And yeah, this is a glamorous It's What's Cooking episode. It's What's Cooking is a hot mess in my garage. See, coveted bleach. Anybody want this bookshelf? I'm getting rid of it. But yeah, everything will be in closed cabinets. The cars will both fit in here. I'm super stoked, and I am digging our new floor. So hopefully you guys, what's the brand? It's called Swiss, Swisstrax, one word. Swisstrax, lifetime guarantee. Angel, I laid this with my neighbor Jan. Okay, so if you do it, guys can do. Gwenny, doesn't it look so cool? Oh my God, I'm about to cry. This is my birthday present, so to myself. So I am thrilled. See that? Look at. There's one piece I can't get those. Fredrickson gets home. He's going to have to move that. So our intention tomorrow is to move all the crap over to this neck of the woods and then finish laying over there and then get the ordered. And I'm not in California closets because it's ridiculously expensive, like so crazy. And if ever I left here, I could take all this flooring with me if I wanted to. But yeah, I think we started at maybe 1 o'clock, maybe 1:30. And I probably did, and I opened 18 boxes. Philip will be excited to know that I actually flattened 18 boxes. Usually I would have 18 boxes just completely stacked up in the driveway for him. But I was like, I'm using that little box cutter, and I'm going to cut these myself. So they're very easy and put together so that it's not a big mess. So anyway, if anybody wants this bookshelf, this giant bookshelf. Hey, Gwenny, I'm getting rid of the bookshelf that was in your bedroom downstairs. It's heavy and big. I could just put it outside for somebody. Right now, it just needs to go. So that's the scoop. I'm going to take my second shower of the day because I'm disgusting and hot and gross. And hopefully Philip will bring home some takeout food because I'm not cooking. All right, everybody, stay physically distant while staying socially connected. I need to hydrate. I'm going to have a little iced tea. Cheers to you. And I'll see you hopefully mañana. I was planning on making chicken cordon bleu. So tomorrow, I think I will. So if anybody wants to play along, chicken breast, prosciutto, Gruyere or Swiss cheese, thinly sliced, and my secret sauce, which I'm not going to tell you until tomorrow. So, okay, Gwen, if you want this bookshelf, have these. Get it out of the garage. It's a really good one and super heavy. Okay? Love you.